All right, you have three options for the daily routine. Not three options, three goals. So every day you're going to do three things. You're going to build the number, you're going to compare the number, and then you're also going to work on telling time to the nearest hour and to the nearest half hour. So when we build the number, you can choose to use the slides to build that number, or you can use your secret code cards, specifically your demonstration set of secret code cards, where they're large enough for students to build and to see. So if you had all your students on the carpet, the student would build the number 84, they'd get the 80 card, the 4 card, and they would use the front and the back of the cards. If you're using this digital version, then they're going to just drag and drop these cards. So if I build the number 84, we would build the number and everyone would say 84. 84 is 80 plus 4 equals 84. Then they'd build 59. They would say 50 and 9 equals 59. So now we have, what's the number? 84. What's the number? 59. Let's compare 84 and 59. Now they're going to compare using the backs of the cards. So we have 84, we have 59, and we're going to compare. And we're going to say which number is more. And the class would say 84 is more. Which number is less? The class would say 59 is less. Let's say the entire statement. 80, I've lost the number. Here we go. 84 is greater than 59. And everyone would say that. Say it with me. 84 is greater than 59. The student leader would write the symbol. We would restate it. Now we say the why. We know because 8 tens and 4 ones is more than 5 tens and 9 ones. Or 5 tens and 9 ones is less than 8 tens and 4 ones. So we want them to see that the number of tens here is greater than the number of tens here, or vice versa. And then that's how we compare. Next, you're going to go into your time. So now we want students to tell time to the nearest hour and to the nearest half hour, which they've done in a previous unit also. So what time do I write in the digital clock? Think about it. Class, and the whole class would say 12 o'clock. So the student leader would write 12 o'clock. What does the green hand show? And everyone would say the hour. What does the blue hand show? Everyone, the minute. Okay, so we know that we have 12 o'clock. What time do I write in the digital clock? Think about it. Class, and the whole class would say 1:30. The student leader would say, why is the green hand between 12 and 1? Think about it. Class, and you can either do a choral response, or for this one, it might turn into a turn and talk. Turn and tell your neighbor quickly. Okay, they'll do it like a 10-second turn and talk. Call on someone, Eduardo. Eduardo tells us why the green hand is between 12 and 1. Because it's halfway around the clock, so it's not 1 o'clock yet. It's still 12 o'clock. Why is the blue hand pointing at the 6? Because it means 30. When I count by fives, I get 30 minutes, which is half of an hour. It's half of 60. Students would probably do a turn and talk for these second 2 bullets, but everything else should be a choral response. You'll repeat that for a couple more slides. Every day you do the same thing. You build numbers, you compare numbers, you tell time to the nearest hour and to the nearest half hour.